Hi everybody! Welcome to day 6 of 24 days to a crafty Christmas. I realized yesterday that I had talked about donating blankets, and that reminded me that donations are one of the things on my gift recipient list, and the week is quickly getting away from me. So I wanted to take the opportunity to remind myself and just sort of talk about it with you guys, the donations that I want to give out this year, and some other ideas too if you are hoping to give but maybe haven't quite decided what you want to do or where you want to do it. Depending on where you live, different articles of crocheted or knit goods could be in high demand. So for example, if you have a hospital nearby and they have a maternity ward, sometimes they're looking for hats and blankets and things like that for new babies. They could even be looking for hats and blankets and cuddly toys for children if you have like a children's hospital nearby. They usually have a spot on their website that talks about donations. And the really savvy hospitals will often even say what they want. So they might even give you a specific pattern to follow. They might suggest yarns or a kind of fiber that they would prefer the donations were made out of. And if that information isn't available on their website, you can always just sort of give their general phone line a call and somebody should be able to help you out. So hospitals are a great place to donate things. Then there's shelters. So there's animal shelters, which they're always looking for things like blankets or little toys, like sort of year-round, but especially this time of year. I like to put together things for animal shelters, but I have to have someone else deliver it because I become a big blubbering wreck when I go to an animal shelter because I can't just bring everybody home with me. So that's a good place to donate. Also, people shelters are often looking for hats and scarves and gloves and blankets and sweaters and coats and any kind of warm article of clothing at this time of year. And those go down well. So if you don't have shelters nearby, you might have organizations that are local that do collect for these things. So it might be a church, it could be like a Legion or maybe the fire or the local police station. A lot of them run community donation events, so putting in a phone call to any of your local community services will probably help direct you, especially if you have something specific that you want to donate. Sometimes they'll ask you that, do you have something specific you want to donate? And they can kind of tell you where to do that. So this is great if you got into a big hat making spree or you started making scarves and then put them away and forgot about them or have too many to give away and you kind of want to make room for the new things you want to make. Not only do you get to clear out some space, but you can give something to someone or a little furry someone who would really appreciate it. So that always makes me feel good when I'm able to do that. And then there's a few other things you might want to consider putting into your donation bin as well. We always fill a few bins at work every year. And this year, besides toys and articles of clothing, they also suggested hygiene products, which I think are great. So soap, shampoo, razors, deodorant, toothpaste, new toothbrushes, stuff like that. Things that you might kind of not remember. Those make really great donations too. And gift cards. I love gift cards, and it never occurred to me to donate gift cards before. I think that's great because everybody likes to have a perk around Christmas, and some people would prefer to have the purchasing power rather than the purchased articles. So gift cards are a wonderful thing to donate to. That's especially if you've, got the time. Not got the time, but you do have some extra money that you can give away. So I love all those ideas. Anyway, I've got my little pile of goodies together. I'm going to get them out the door. Most of our local organizations try to have all their donations in by like the second Friday of December. So I try to get this done in the first week of December, but this week just kind of got away from me. So out the door they go. Anyway, I'm going to put a few more rows on my blanket and relax a little bit, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hello everyone! This is Mr. InStitches. Thanks for watching today's Christmas video diary. Here are some other videos you might be interested in. Just click on one to watch it. Have a wonderful day and stay crafty!